everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today this is the last of my 30-day challenge. Anyhow, it was very difficult because every day or one or two you had to edit and process and put all of them on YouTube. Tried my best. So but I'll be posting 2 per week. One of them will be live anyways on Sundays and one will be the recorded one. So please look forward to those ones. Join me on Sundays at 4 p.m. IST, and then we'll get into that this painting. But
before we continue, if you are new to this channel, hit that like button and please subscribe and share with your friends so that it helps YouTube algorithm to reach more people.
welcome back again. So today is going to be acrylic painting. This I painted somewhere maybe 10 days ago, but I didn't want to post it as soon as possible. I waited, so I thought this is going to be the last one. Concentrate on its acrylic. Looks easier, but I wouldn't say it, I wouldn't call it as intermediate beginner one. At least it is intermediate or maybe a little bit advanced. The reason behind that is you won't be able to use just very soft brushes for sky. You can actually, as long as if you are experienced, you will know exactly how to use the brushes. But at least for the ones who are actually struggling with the sky and to get that particular effect, I've used Payne's gray, not black. It's bluish gray, and I've used mainly this brush. This is a very old brush. I think it is almost 13 years old. And what has happened is it has become very hard, or otherwise you have to use bristle brush, which is very hard. So on the canvas you can actually rub it in such a way that you can actually blend and get that particular effect. So if it is too soft brush, something like this or even any other soft brush, maybe even not the medium brush, this is a filbert brush, I think you can still get it with that. The harder it is, it's better on canvas, so that you can actually get to the canvas tooth and then get that effect. So just concentrate on the strokes that I've applied, the color, the application, the blending. It doesn't have to be perfect. Main thing is remember where the light source is, behind the cloud's light source, and then where it actually lights up on the edge of the cloud, and then the bottom one is the darker, and where the lightning is actually coming through is where it is supposed to be bright. And that in the beginning, what I've done is the lines I've rubbed with the finger, as you can see, because that is the shining of that lightning line. And then after that again went ahead with white lines on that, just exactly like how you paint branches, the same thing, but it's just upside down, and then put the lines. So and then wherever it comes on the foreground is very light, which is bright, and then it gets darker in the foreground. So that's just the effect that I've gone for. So try this and let me know. It's very interesting, and then it's not something that is going to be that easy, but you can try it out. If you are a beginner, try it out. Let's see how it turns out. If you are intermediate or even advanced learners, so you will actually learn something out of it. If you have not painted lightning before, this was one of my wishes for a long time. So I think I've done a good painting. You let me know how it feels for you as well. Then if you paint along with me, or if you paint after watching this video, just let me know how it turns out. I'm going to put all of them under a playlist as 30-day challenge, so all of them will be there. And then I'll look forward for the next videos, and as well as on Sundays live, so you can actually paint along with me. You can go through the list of materials that you need, and then you should be ready for painting. 4 p.m. IST, and then I'll see you in my next video.